Hello, in summary, the Apple Watch Series 10 offers reliable heart rate tracking for most users and activities, but small inaccuracies can occur during certain exercises or under specific conditions. For even higher precision, we can, especially during intense workouts, pair it with a chest strap heart rate monitor. It may actually provide more consistent results. But if you wonder under what kind of activities it can actually get not that accurate, so for example for the weightlifting or when you are riding on your bike, of course there's plenty of other activities, but I'm not sure if actually there is someone that actually track this data for every possible activity. But for in the quick sum up, it's actually quite reliable. It's definitely one of the best device, one of the best smartwatches to get accurate data about your heart tracking. So yeah, that will be all the quick information for you, and thanks for watching.